Today I'm going to show you how to view all blocked emails in Gmail and how to unblock any sender if you decide you want their messages to come through again. This is a quick but very useful Gmail tip, especially if you think an important email might not be reaching your inbox or if you want to review the people you've blocked over time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Gmail tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Once Gmail loads, make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use more than one Gmail address. After you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. When the quick settings panel opens, you may see a few basic options there, but for the full blocked sender list, you need the complete settings page. So click See All Settings. Gmail will take you to the main settings screen where all of your account and mail options are listed. Now at the top of the settings area, you'll see several tabs. Click on Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is the section where Gmail stores your filters and your blocked email list. If you've blocked someone in the past, this is where you can find every sender you've blocked. Scroll down until you reach the Blocked Email Addresses section. Here, you'll see the list of blocked senders associated with your account. This is the area you want if you're trying to view all blocked emails in Gmail, because Gmail doesn't usually show this list directly from the inbox. Instead, it keeps it inside the settings panel for privacy and control. Take a moment to review the blocked senders carefully. You may recognize names or email addresses you forgot about, or you may notice someone you blocked by mistake. If you want to start receiving emails from a sender again, simply click Unblock next to that address. Gmail will ask for confirmation, and once you approve it, that sender will be removed from your blocked list. After you unblock someone, future emails from that address should go to your inbox normally, as long as no other filters are affecting delivery. If you still don't see messages, it's worth checking your spam folder or any custom filters you may have created as well. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to view all blocked emails in Gmail and how to unblock a sender whenever you want. If this walkthrough helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Gmail tips, email management tutorials, and everyday tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.